something, but like I couldn't really see it that well because I was trying to rejoin the thing. So I'm watching the backpack right now because Aiden just 90. But yeah, Luke told you to go to hell. He's very angry. He thinks you're 10. He thinks you're 10.
He's 11. I mean, yeah, he's 87. I'm lagging really bad, so I can't even hold the line. I'm going all the way to the apron. Oh, no, I'm not able to.
Dang. Trex just hit Luke with the, oh, you just suck. That's what Trex just said.
No. He's gonna dominate. He ran 200 laps. There's no way anyone else is winning. Mister, remember, team orders. Let me win.
Oh, commentation. Here, let me watch the front pack.
Brake check the whole field. Brake check the whole field.
I think Nathan is still leading.
Yeah.
And Luke is very angry as the Mr. Fart is being Mr. Fart and is not catching him.
Team orders, it's okay.
Nah, Trek said I'm 13, so it's fair. Because I just told him back when I said he's 15.
Nah.
This guy.
That was actually crazy.
Oh, we got Hickory for second. He's gonna almost dump Mr.
Fart.
Mr. Amazing save.
Did Mr. block or did he just like flat out turn?
No, Hickory just lit up.
I was about to say if he pulled the big ounce, I was about to say some mean words.
Some mean words.
It would not hurt his feelings. Okay.
Mr. into the wall a little bit. That's gonna allow the.
It's Mr. It's inside. He has a flat tire. Don't worry about it.
Who does?
Break the cake.
What up, Axe? What do you want?
Is Crackery racing? Just want to know.
Crackery is racing. Crackery is racing.
Wolver.
What place is he in?
Oh, Hickory just sends the 8 into the wall.
That's a penalty. Penalty.
Huh?
Red Mister.
Who?
Booty cheeks.
Over. Is that Drake?
Burberry. Burberry.
I just
Big booty cheeks.
around.
Oh,
no
Hickory
contact.
catching up.
I
Whoa!
hit the wall.
What is that gun?
I hit the wall.
Bro, it took forever to join. It took like 5 minutes to join.
Trill issue.
Still issue.
Is it? Oh, whoa! Sideways goes to 98. Almost in a wall.
Nah, that's my fault. But like,
No reason to be this aggressive, boy.
well, I hit the wall, so I'm mad now.
You don't want me mad at Darlington, boys. You want to get mad.
No, just don't.
Alright, is Hickory gonna go for the move here? No, he's gonna wait.
Can I
He's
have
gonna-
AMRC?
What?
Yes.
No.
Over his
What's in?
Woohoo!
Where do you want me to watch? Where do you want me to
Hickory's
watch?
definitely faster than the 98. We'll just see who it is gonna pass him. It's gonna
Well,
be.
I can't. I didn't hear what you
He
said.
tried to
200
send,
miles.
but it just messed him up. That send messed him up.
I'm watching the middle.
Alright, I go into back.
I'm watching nothing.
There's so much happening.
You're
in the
watching
back.
pit lane acts. That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna watch the race, but watch pit lane.
Yeah,
Drake, not gonna lie, he
he's
ran
gonna be the pit reporter. Pit reporter. Yeah, it's not very interesting. Hickory tried to make a move, then he sold, and now he's really far back.
It's fine. I'm lagging. So, yep, there it goes. I lagged. Oh, I almost hit one.
No fans allowed in the server. Ban Noah. I'm gonna ban Noah, the Diamond G gamer.
Yes, Adam. Man,
Tim, we should do crewmates after this.
Here
For
comes
real.
Hickory.
No, we should do
Hickory,
actual Among Us.
No, not everyone has it.
Actual Among Us is like.
Tim,
You just download
Tim.
it. It takes like 2 seconds. Alright.
I know.
Tim,
Hickory,
No, but
Tim,
I don't wanna- I
you
wanna
should
know
send me
my-
results
yeah,
after this race.
Hickory's
No,
definitely
Yeah,
gonna
exactly.
when
No,
Hickory's
no,
definitely
get in
gonna
game
be
right
in the
now. If you're
98.
getting kicked off the stage right now, Axe. Join the game right now. Right now, Axe.
Wait,
Right now. Join right now.
Hey, he ran 200 laps. No dirty faster than me.
That's an order, sonny boy.
I don't know
I'm just
why that meant 200 laps.
That's an
I don't
order,
know, but
sonny boy.
it works. It works.
Like some people are like, I'm bored. I'm gonna go outside, or I'm gonna play like one of my like Xbox or PlayStation games. Some
I
people are
saw
just
that.
like, I'm bored.
That's my
I'm
bad,
gonna
that's
run
my bad,
200
Hickory.
laps by myself.
Yeah, yeah, I got you.
I'm gonna play
I
Fortnite for
listened.
4.5 hours and go crazy.
That's what
I
I'm saying.
listened.
Nathan does the crossover now, and Hickory side by side for the lead now.
I don't like being on the
Well, I
bottom.
tried the ban Walla.
But Hickory's gonna get clear,
Yeah, because the high side's better than the bottom.
and now Hickory's gonna block the 98.
Who is Blue Thunder?
I don't know.
That's Junior. He got eliminated from the playoffs.
Real issue.
Bro, I just hit the apron and...
Grill issue, bro. Grill issue.
Oh, we got a grill issue? I gotta come down to
I'm
the
gonna get my boy Zeta sub for me tomorrow. I can't make the race. Yeah.
Okay, well, I just let Hickory win stage.
Who's actually running a throwback scheme?
Me.
Yeah, no, other than
Me.
Nathan.
Nathan
Fox.
Crackery,
Fox. I hit the wall
Nathan
again.
Crackery, Fox, and
Fox.
Big.
That is very cap. Bryce, that is very cap. You have seen your face on multiplication. That's very cap.
It's Fox. Yeah, honestly.
Notepad. I'm using Notepad. Who's gotten one of these?
Has 99 gotten anything? I just gave him 1 out of 3.
Now.
Alright.
I'm not letting you get away, Hickory. I don't care. I hit the wall twice. I want stage points. I need stage points.
You are a stage point.
Thank you. It's a compliment.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
gonna
we're
run
running. Yeah, we're running. I think all the championship guys.
Yeah, all the championship 4 drivers in season 1 are running that at the championship.
Tim, there's not
I hit
nine,
the
there's not
apron,
9
no.
drivers, Tim. There's not 9 drivers. They lied to us.
No, I'm so bad. I hit the apron and got flung.
He
off
made
the
it
wall.
spin.
No, I
Darlington
hit
is
the.
kind of a mix of a short track and an
Are you kidding me? I'm gonna hit the wall again. No, I didn't. Okay.
It's like turn 1 and 2 intermediate, turn 3 and 4 short track.
No, turn 1 and 2 is full on like a win of 2022.
Cap.
Yeah.
I'm hitting the wall again.
Turn 1 and 2 is
We're both
Talladega at 240
I'm
miles.
watching Crackery. I got Crackery, Tim. You just watch those two. I got Crackery.
Nathan, you said you're gonna run them down, but you keep selling.
Actually,
We're
Tim,
both
watch
keep
Crackery.
going.
Watch the
This
top
is getting
5,
insane.
Tim.
There were 3 wide in the back.
Yeah, I'm
I
watching
hit
the
the
back
apron.
over.
Yeah, I'm
These
gonna watch the
back
back. The
tracks.
front isn't that interesting.
Yeah, I'm watching this pack as
Run-
well.
Oh
Nothing
my
wrong
goodness.
with
Jake, watch Crackery and Aiden right now. Because
You know,
they're
me and
they're
Hickory
right
will
now.
not get together unless it's on accident.
Cap. We're not gonna talk about Portland. Cap.
No.
That
was only
battle
stage
was
finish.
insane at Portland. That
It
battle
was only. I
insane.
wasn't even mad about stage.
This is good racing.
Yeah. Hickory, you don't need to
Proxy.
win.
Shucks
We can
is cold.
negotiate.
Noah the
something.
Diamond Gamer was detected.
No!
No, it's exploited.
No.
Oh, the 12 just late blocked and put them both in the wall. I don't know if that's a
Detected
penalty or not. He
exploiting.
just dropped all the way to the back and ruined himself.
No. Stop exploiting.
What did he
Noah.
do?
He
did-
said he got banned for exploiting.
He said
He's
action,
game.
crash, user.
Crash user.
Wait,
Wait, is that the lag command?
Oh,
I'm writing him down.
No.
I'm writing it down. I mean, I'm not writing him down.
Noah, what is 3 hacking? Or he...
No, we're not.
Did he get kicked or banned?
Nathan, you're kind of gaining a little bit.
Yeah, but there's not enough time.
Oh, the
It's
20
I'll
and
take
then
second,
I
though.
both hit the
Unless
wall.
he
These
makes
guys are
mistakes,
just
he makes
losing
mistakes.
time.
Definitely get it there as the white flag.
Bryce,
is
Me and Hickory are definitely the
4
best
out of
ones.
4.
Is this stage
And
2?
admin taken away.
Stage
Phase
one.
one.
This is
being
stage
racist?
1?
Yeah,
This
we
already
just started.
started 40 minutes ago.
No,
No,
it
it
didn't.
didn't.
Because Tim was late.
Tim was
Of
being.
course.
Tim wasn't at his computer when the race was supposed to start.
I just
Nathan,
remember.
Nathan Wallright. Nathan Wallright. No, I'm kidding.
No, I'm not testing. I'm not testing. I will take second. GG Hickory.
Can we S-lock Tim?
Alright,
Can we
who is
S-lock?
that? Who is
I gotta
that?
move you down from stage now, cause
No, please.
I think. Who is that? Who's in the Yahoo car? Is that the 46? Who is the 46?
That's
Fox.
Is that the Yahoo car in the back?
Yahoo car, yes.
Why is Roblox tag it?
1 out of 3.
It's fine, I got it.
3.
Jake, shut up.
He just completely full sent the last corner and just killed somebody's quarter panel.
Tim, do the laps. No, you do.
Bro, who is that? Who is in the pace car?
Bro, I wasn't even in the pace car.
Who just spawned the pace car in front of the field? He just killed
Whoopsies.
Well, who is that? Oh, it's JJ.
I'm a better pace car. Get off track, Drake.
If you're a better pace car, you literally just spawned it in front of the field.
Oh my goodness. JJ.
Drake, what are you doing?
Pace car, JJ, what are you doing?
I'm a better pace car driver.
That's all JJ, bro.
Literally, I'm going 80 and this guy's wrecking me for no reason, bro.
Because you just wrecked the field.
Look at this guy, bro. Like, look at this guy. He's wrecking me for no reason, bro.
People are passing. People are passing.
We need to implement a rule to where they're not allowed to pass at all. If they pass, just give them a face.
You're technically allowed to pass you're technically allowed to pass in pit road if somebody's going super slow.
In pits, but not entering. Entering if it's under green.
JJ, you're going too fast, sir. Why?
What's pace speed? 70. Bruh.
Okay.
JJ, TP me into the road.
Nathan, don't kill me. Nathan, don't kill me. Nathan, don't kill me. Nathan, don't kill me. Nathan, don't kill me.
JJ, TP me into the road.
Don't kill me.
What is the 12? What just happened?
Someone speed me. Someone speed me. Speed me.
Who did that? JJ! Who did that to my car?
We do some dubious showing.
JJ!
Tim, speed me 20 or 30.
I got my wheels back. I reconnected with my wheels.
Speed?
Whoa there, Jake.
Bro, JJ, leave me alone. Stop being goofy.
I'm pacing the field. Get out of here.
Who is doing that, dude? Whoever's doing that, please stop.
Drake, get off track. You have V-lag. Get off track.
Oh, you lost
delete your car. Nah, delete your car. Delete your car, Drake! I said to delete your car! You're not listening!
JJ, this is your fault because you were playing
Is
around.
it good this time? What's happening?
No, because JJ messing around with my car.
I'm being framed.
You mean first you stole my pace car spot, and then you rammed the field, and then you removed my wheels, so I got V-leg.
I didn't remove your wheels with B-tools. That was just you. I didn't remove your wheels. It wasn't me. I was pacing the field.
I know it was you, JJ. Who else would do that?
Pace better.
Take off somebody's Drake. The thing is, if I did it with B-tools, right, I'd be V-lagging.
Tim, rocket JJ. No!
I said
No!
As soon as you say they're actually pacing better, they all
pacing better.
As soon as they say they start pacing better, they all just...
Just pace.
Tim, next time.
I'm still watching the back, and somebody just got spawned.
Yeah, that's the A.
Amazing. Did you give him 1 out of 3? Is that what you just said?
Yes.
Thank you.
Holy cow, the 12 just completely full set the corner. Oh my god.
I'm taking notes.
Didn't hit anybody.
Fox in second. Where did Fox come from?
Taking notes. I'm taking notes.
Fox is gonna take the lead.
Fox is the GOAT, bruh.
What?
I'm watching the
don't
back.
feel like it. I'm watching the back. Oh my goodness, dude.
Here, I'll check the
These
tracking.
guys are
Oh, this
booty
is good.
cheeks.
This is really good.
Oh,
Tim's best
contact.
tracking
He's
camera.
sideways. That
Side
helped
by
him.
side lead as they hit into turn 3. Fox lips off, and he's gonna give away second, trying to lift off to get a run.
Oh my goodness, slide job. Oh my gosh. And then the Shucks gets forced below.
now a battle for second between Fox and
He
Big.
dropped
Let's see how this
all the way
goes.
back. Oh my.
I think Fox is gonna. Oh, Fox is in a wall. I think Fox has had lag there, and he's gonna get passed by the 9 here.
This started. Doctor.
As we look at the
Doctor, what time is
Nathan
it for you,
Bill.
bud?
Nathan now pulling away from Big as I say that he messes up badly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Who's Kyle
Is
Busch?
there even the need of the AMR safety crew
No.
today at this race?
As I am lagging very badly.
You
My
never know.
screen
There
is
could be a
frozen.
flip. Most likely not.
Isn't Golden? No, I'm not gonna say he's Golden because he's not even a playoff driver,
My screen is completely frozen. I can't do anything.
bruh.
Wait, Golden.
Yeah,
Oh, I
Fuel
thought
Cap,
it was. I
and
thought
he's
it was
not even a
somebody
playoff
else.
driver.
I thought it was someone else.
Wasn't he suspended
I gotta
anyway?
go.
Wasn't he suspended because he got a 4-4 in part? He left because he got parred. Lol. He's booty cheeks. I mean, he's the best driver ever. For real.
So Darlington's such a good track. Like even in real life, like in real life too. I love this track. It's kind of a shame that somebody named Ross Chastain decided to. He ruins every race at this point. He kind of makes it funny.
Luke got mad because Tim made a field gap. That's crazy. That's actually funny.
Is he screaming somewhere?
Yeah, in general, he was yelling. It's me or his view name's not been working lately. Because I just tried doing videos, it's not working. And now 2-car battle right now for P4. Hickory's clear, Fox.
Is there no
Hickory's been
field
moving his way up through the
qualifying?
field. I was watching him inside.
Qualifying?
Yeah, they had to qualify. The non-playoff drivers didn't get automatic, like into the thing unless you fault.
Is there like a field cap in qualifying? Like you have to qualify in the top 10?
Yeah, it's kind of like how Rock's League does it. You have to qualify a certain position to be able to race.
Alright, that's how my league does it, or the other league I help with does it do.
Track 3 just like breaks so early compared to Green.
But we don't
Green
give
punted him.
playoff drivers any advantage. Like if playoff drivers doesn't make the race and a non-playoff driver does, we don't give the playoff driver a spot. Technically, the playoff driver should be better since they made the playoffs. But for some reason, I have a feeling that a lot of people, if they don't make the playoffs, they just don't race. How was it in this? Yeah, what did you just qualify for position? There's no qualify your way in.
Just show up to qualifying Tim and just do the longest lap ever, just to make you mad.
You're gonna get like a 10-minute lap.
No, I'm gonna cross the line and just not move for like ever. I'm just gonna like
do 1 mile an hour on the
slightly
track.
move.
See how it takes you.
I'm gonna go eat me lunch, dinner. Tim, if I completed a 1 hour lap time for qualifying, would I get pulled?
1 mile an hour around Talladega.
No,
so
1 hour. I said 1 hour lap time.
Do 1 mile an hour around a 1 mile track, so it takes an hour.
Easy. Tim. If I set a 1 minute lap time, would I get pull? Not 1 minute. 1 hour lap time, would I get pull?
You get Hall of Fame for the slowest
Bro,
qualifying time. There's
W.
some driver in
Hall of Fame.
there's some driver in my league.
Unlocked. 1 hour lap
So
time.
we did awards at the end of season 1 in my league. And I was gonna call it my league at this point. It's not my league, but I'm just gonna say my league. So it's
Just
I don't have to
say
keep
whatever
specific.
you gotta say.
Okay, whatever.
Spill the beans.
There was awards after season 1, and there was awards for worst driver, dirtiest driver, and I think the least popular driver. And there was one person that won all 3 of them,
Curl issue.
aka CJ. That's his name.
Mm.
Not Black Right.
I know it. Wait, is it? What's his Roblox username?
Not Black Rifle.
I thought he was somebody. I thought he was like every CJ I've met in road racing is sucks, man.
Oh dang!
Because there's
I
this
see
other
somebody just hit the wall.
Oh yeah, there's this other CJ who's oh my.
Yeah, and Greg, yeah, he sucks. Oh my god. Him, I had the tryout with him and Deer. You could ask Aiden. We were in the same tryout as them, and they were so bad.
No, CJ just full sent it.
Or what am I hearing?
Don't worry.
Ask me. Get good.
Yo, what the heck?
Huh?
Hey, what? What do you mean?
Bro, there's no way Hickory still is P1 now. He was
Oh, wait,
literally
2 out of
last.
3, right? Is that a 2 out of 3? Does the 12 already have a 1 out of 3? I thought I gave him 1 out of 3. I don't know. Maybe not. That was a 99. Never mind. He just full sent it on mobile controls.
Real issue. It doesn't matter.
He was in the middle of the corner and then he just straight lined it.
Lol.
How do your mobile controls break when you're in the middle of a corner? Like, how do you
That's
misclick in the
glitch.
middle of a corner? Because your fingers are already on the controls, so how do you? You never said anything. What?
Bruh. Oh yeah, I think you're catching amazing. Slightly. Nathan's playing strategy for you.
Of course, Hickory is dominating.
Nathan knows the strategy. Nathan hasn't pit. He's on 380 fuel. He hasn't pit.
I'm gonna start watching via the spectating menu.
I just want to... Bro.
Oh my goodness, Star Girl.
Why is there a dead car in the track, bro?
Oh, you-
Tim, did you delete it? Oh, okay.
Whose car? Here he goes to the inside. Don't worry about it.
I got you. 1 out of 3. 1 out of 3. 1
Who is
out of 3.
Elliot Champ?
Just kick the people. I'm
Who
just
do I need to
crashing their
watch?
games. I'm just crashing their games because
Who should I watch? There's
Big.
nothing. Oh wait, I'm gonna watch.
Big Ounce, Junior. Who else got a
Oh.
1 out of 3? I need to know because I accidentally
12.
exited out.
The 12.
Yeah, I know. That's Junior. That's Junior.
The 99.
Yep, I already got that.
That's all I gave. I gave verbals to people. What the heck just happened? Crack3 just sent it. Crack3 just slammed Hickory into the wall. Alright. And then the 46 just used up the 99 on the exit, and it was worse for him because he got anti-war in the 99. The 9 is selling. What is he doing?
There's
The 99. What is the 99 doing? What is he doing? What are they doing? Like the
Over, you get penalties for 3 people because 2 they tagged out. They tagged out. One of them, all 3 of them tagged out, and I went into logs and you said end for 3 people, and all 3 of them tagged out, and they're all for warnings.
What?
Crash use game. Oh, I got you, Tim. All right,
Somebody
crash.
just got dumped on me.
Spring, comma, star. I crashed both of their games.
Wait, what did I do in logs?
And Walla. I'm server banning Walla.
What did I do in the logs?
You gave 3 people 1 out of 3s because I checked the logs and there's 3 ends that tagged, and every time you did 1 out of 3, it would always tag.
Yeah.
Who were those 3 people, man? I need to know.
Hold on. Oh, they all.
Yeah, they all tagged.
Well, that sucks. I know one was a 12, one was a 99, and one was a 46. That's it.
Oh, thank you. Box. Alright.
Was because he full sent a core. He full sent in the last stage, or the first stage. He full sent in the white flag of the first stage.
H.
Don't do it again, Fox. I know you can't hear me, but he's in the wall, so he's probably gonna kill the 8.
Actually, he can hear you.
He can?
Yeah, he's in VC.
Oh, he's in here. He's in VC. Oh, well, the 8 just sold by sending it way high. Actually, wait. No, he sold.
Space. Oh, someone's dead on track. Whose car is that?
You want me to check?
That's Josh, I got it.
I think somebody started driving it. I can check my recording and see if somebody started driving it. You want me to see if somebody started driving it?
Tim, are you in the pace car?
When did this happen? When did this get on track?
We just realized it. Now his car's completely off track.
Who's pace car?
Me. I just need to
Why
get
is
it.
Axe in the pace car?
I don't know. He got in when I was dealing with his
He's
car.
gone now.
Tim, do the laps. Pits open.
Yeah.
I forget that's pace 70. I'm pacing 90. Watch for people who pass under on entrance. If they pass somebody.
Oh, even I typo.
Bruh.
Oh, the 98 sped.
Somebody else at the back
Missed shove sped. And whoever that is in the very back sped.
18 pit. The 18.
Beat me to pit road, Coopers.
You were already on it until you decided to get in a car. Ooh, somebody was caught hacking, bro. Look at that. Whose pace car is this on track? Delete it.
Not me.
Here, I
Beat me to pit road. Oh my
now go to pit road and watch, boy.
Everyone's dead. Oh my gosh.
We're all obsessed with your delicate skin, so we made our
Okay, so you
to help take care of it.
Nathan sped by himself. What about Fox? Fox is
We got you,
speeding.
baby.
What happened to the 2? The 2 just.
Bro, what is in your background?
Can you
Oh my
server mute
goodness.
him?
Ask me, bro, before you server muted.
You.
That wasn't even Mexican music. I think that was genuinely his TV. We can go again this time.
Yeah, it's
No,
my
it's
TV.
too late. Too late.
The 2 isn't to the back, I don't think. The 2 has a red
Didn't you
light.
start
I don't even know how the 2
Didn't you
has a
start?
red light. Why does the 2 have a red light? What is he?
Didn't it-
What?
There. Is
Speeding up
that
to
better?
the-
Is this better? Is this better?
Yeah, we can't hear it.
Alright, good.
He's gonna turn around.
I turn on no suppression.
Never mind. I don't know what he's doing.
Next time, he said. Wait, is that
Not
who is
mobile.
that? Who's in that car?
That's Aiden. He's subbing.
Well, that sucks. Well. Okay.
It's pace 70, right, Tim?
Wait a minute. Was the 99 not speeding on pit road?
Yeah, he did.
He's in third.
Over. Yeah, over. Didn't he speak? I remember him speaking.
It's really too late to call him to go back to the back because y'all are gonna. Then he's gonna check up the entire field.
Hickory. Well, Hickory got dumped.
I don't know what happened.
I don't know either. I can check my recording
Go shoot.
and clip it. I think I was a late block.
Alright, I'm watching this field. It's funny because he'll call you slow, and then he's the one he's doing slow stuff. Like he's.
Oh, the 98.
shucks.
Oh my goodness.
Shucks just sent the 98, and it helped them out. Tim, I told Aiden if he was to speed while trying to get his lap, his thing done, then no, he's not gonna get a drive-through. Oh, we just loosened him up. W move by Nathan.
Oh, my Wi-Fi
They're coming up on him. He's right there. Oh, Nathan.
Isn't he allowed to merge, right, Tim?
What is Nathan?
Is Aiden
Nathan,
allowed
get
to
off
merge?
the
Oh,
wall.
yeah.
Oh my.
I can't really tell. I'm gonna check recording.
I'm checking
checking
my
out.
recording. I think
No,
he
it
just
wasn't Aiden,
dumped
that
him.
wasn't
I think
Aiden.
he dumped him.
I think the guy turned. I think Big Arms
I think
turned
he
in.
turned. I think he turned him. I'm pretty sure he turned him.
I'm joking.
What?
I'm checking right now.
Joking about what? Bro, he got dumped. We're trying to figure out if it was a dump or a late block. We're looking at recordings. Did you find it?
I'm watching. No, that was just a racing incident.
It was?
Yeah.
What happened? One of them came up, the other went down?
Yep, basically.
Can I merge? No.
Yeah, Big Arms didn't turn at all. That was just a racing incident. He was just coming down from the corner.
Hickory is struggling now after he got spun on the restart. Oh, what's happening to the 20?
Oh, what is happening?
The 20 just went to the back. Alright. He just lifted all the way to amazing.
Who? The 20?
Yes.
Oh.
He did it on
My pics-
purpose. I'm gonna check
my
my
pic-
recording. Never mind, my recording
my
hasn't
pics,
loaded because my recording
My
software
pick for
sucks.
this race is Crackery. He's been doing good.
No, he's been doing terrible. He full sent the corner like twice. And hit the wall by himself. What in the world? What the
Angle than
heck?
him.
What the heck? Alright,
Out
the
the best
20
angle.
just right rear hooked somebody. The 20 just right rear hooked amazing. Like, fully purpose. Like, it looked like Chase Elliott. The 20 shoved, or the 18
Give
shoved
him
him up
one
the
out of
track.
three.
That's all
2 out
it
of 3.
is?
2 to 3.
No, that's that's a 2 out of 3. That's a 2 out of 3. I remember.
Wait, that's a 3 to 3 then. He already had a penalty, didn't he? Yeah, he already
Amazing?
had a penalty. No, 20. The 20.
Oh, shucks. Shucks.
Yeah, Shucks already had a penalty.
What 3 to 3 then?
He did?
I thought he did, yeah.
No, just give him a penalty, bro.
I'll just give him a
3
2 out
then.
of 3, I guess.
Just give him 2 out of 3. Just give him 2 out of 3.
Alright. Wow. For now.
The late call. My gosh. Bro, why is it always tagged? Should I just type their names?
No, it's fine. I got it. I already have it. I'm writing it down on a notepad.
As characters porn or shapes.
Nah.
He just completely right hooked him. I have it recorded.
Good.
They were making contact and then he just right hooked him.
Chinks. Chinks.
Shinks? Shink?
I could have sworn I gave him something.
Chinks.
You sure?
Tim, should we have Nathan stop and send it to us?
Oh, I gave him a verbal. Not a 1 out of 3. Bro, my recording still hasn't loaded. My recording software has to load. Like it has to upload.
Screen sharing, because I have recording. I have recording of it. I can screen
You're
share
screen
it.
sharing?
I
Alright.
screen share
I
them.
can screen share it.
We'll tell you.
I'll watch it. The 2 has caught up to 20. Wait, I'm watching. Where is he? Go back a little bit. Oh, that's the same. Yeah. Okay, let's see this. I think he slid. Oh, he's holding his line. No, Nathan slid up. Nathan completely just slid up the track. That's not anybody. Yeah, racing incident. Cause he was so the 20 or was it the 20 that
No, 99.
he was holding his line like going straight in the straightaway.
Then Nathan just came up.
The exit, he was in the middle line holding his line, like in the middle of the line, going straight.
Nathan incident, race incident, real.
Bro, if Big Outs would have killed Hickory right there, I would have given him 1 out of 3. But he's lucky that it just helped him close onto Mister. Now Mister just got pressure.
My clip finally loaded, so I have my point of view of that wreck, but it doesn't matter anymore.
Wasn't Crack 3 just leading? What the? Oh my goodness.
Blood was selling.
Can't sell this bad blood.
Huh?
You want my POV?
Yeah, just stream it.
Alright.
Screen share.
And now Hickory's through to the lead and he's gonna race. Race.
And the
Are you watching?
Yeah, we can see it.
What lap was it again? I think it's probably towards the end of my recording.
Lap 55.
It was lap 55?
51 actually, no, 51.
51. Dang.
Wait, no, not there. Not there. I'm checking. No, it was 60.
61.
Never
I
mind.
think. Was it
No,
60?
yeah,
Right here,
61. No.
Right there,
I was watching him, so it was later than that.
It's right there.
Oh, it's
Right there,
here.
yeah.
It's right here. This is my point of view. Yeah, he slid up. He slid up. Look, here. This is final decision racing incident. Look, he's holding the middle line, right? He holds it up the
We have
straightaway.
the same POV over. We have the exact same
I know.
POV. So I
We're
don't
both
think
watching him.
Yeah, Hickory's gone.
Oh, when did Hickory get
And-
to the lead?
And he has so much fuel.
You guys
Who,
want to
Hickory?
see? You guys want to see the incident with the 20?
Let me see this.
Wait, I don't. It has to upload first, so I have to wait
We're
like
already
5
seeing
minutes.
it. We're already seeing it. I think.
I didn't see that.
No, nobody streamed it.
But
Wait,
talking
did you
about the
say-
incident where the 20 got dumped. Where the 20 dumped somebody.
18. The 18. He just right rear hooked him. If my recording will load, then I'll show you.
Yeah. Imagine. Yeah.
I moved it over there too. I just needed to get rid of it, so we moved it over.
Minor
How did it
occupation,
get
don't
there? Does
worry.
anybody know how it got
Minor
there?
occupation.
I moved it.
No, how did it get
Minor-
on track?
I don't know. No,
Do you want me to check
Minor
if somebody else
occupation.
did it?
doesn't matter
Put it
right
out
now.
there? What if it was Walla or something?
What's him?
Alright,
Oh,
you wanna
over.
see this?
No,
Y'all wanna
no,
see this?
no.
You wanna see this? Y'all wanna see this? Y'all wanna see this? Y'all wanna
Yes.
see this?
I gotta see this. I gotta see it.
The
Alright,
20,
watch my
the
stream.
20
It's on my
hooking?
stream.
Watching.
Wait,
I'm watching.
Yeah.
Was it the
This is
20
it.
hooking?
I gotta figure out where it was. Bruh.
Was it the 20 right rear hooking him?
Bruh, what? Hold on.
I can definitely see Shucks wrecking.
Yeah.
Aiden right here for a caution.
Yeah. Look.
Oh, it's right here, it's right here. Alright, watch
Right.
this. Hold
This
on,
just
let me go
goes
back a
to
little bit.
show how
Alright,
annoying
watch this, watch
Aiden
this, watch
is,
this.
bro.
So he bump it
And then
around
he
them,
says he's
they
the
make
best.
contact on the back stretch. Watch. He turns down on them and then he comes back up, puts him in the wall, and then he just turned down on him.
Oh yeah, no, that's the one. That's the two other two.
Yeah, watch it. You can watch it again. You can tell he just turns down off the wall. He's chasing
I
the
mean,
kid.
reason-
I'm watching Aiden and Shucks right now. I can
I
see
mean-
them. Yeah, they're
I mean,
NBC
yeah,
together too.
I'm watching the 20 and the 2.
Yeah, I'm watching this
Yeah.
right now.
I'd watch them too. Y'all keep watching on them.
This is
I'm gonna
better
watch.
than the lead. This is better than the lead right now.
Because. Oh, well, the 20 just sold. So.
No, season one, Michigan.
Oh god.
Nothing. Season one, Michigan, bro. It was crazy. Can't compare. You can't compare, bro. Season one, Michigan was just. It was just so good. Yeah, it was like the cleanest race with the old spin visits, beside the pacing. But anyway.
Tim, will you ever bring the old spin videos back?
No.
No,
The old
no,
physics
people can't
sucks.
drive.
Yes.
People just didn't know how to drive. That's the
A
thing.
skill issue. A skill issue.
Me, Super, and somebody else caused the 3-car wreck because they wanted to slide up when they wouldn't put it
Nathan
through wide.
claims that he's retiring because probably because he's way better than trucks, but he can't make time. He can't make Caterpillar or Cup?
Mister just jumped from his
Mister
car,
just jumped
bro.
from his car.
Mister just
Car
jumped
there.
from his car talking, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, if his car's on
Is
track
he
and
gonna
he
be allowed?
deleted it
What
to
is
respawn.
what is the penalty for that?
Yeah. Yes. Throw it.
He's
I
on
don't know.
track.
That's,
Start caution.
is he gonna be? What is the penalty for that? Isn't there a penalty?
Tim, throw caution.
Nerd. Nope.
It's kind of their fault. They're
He
typing.
didn't collect anybody. Nobody hit his car. If somebody would have hit his car, then yes, but nobody hit his car. His car just wall road.
They need a pit. He's at
No,
Shucks is at 585. It says.
they
Unless
can
it
make
says that
it.
for everyone. It says that for everyone.
They can make it.
I watched this backpack right here. This is interesting.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, I
Wait,
see
who's
that.
that? Who's in it?
I'm watching them. It's Mr. Big
Yeah, I'm
and
watching
Fox.
Mr.
So I'm watching it.
That's Mr. Just what in the world? He's lagging.
He's lagging. He's lagging.
Why do I feel like he's
Yeah.
lying? Why do I feel like he's
Bro.
lying?
I feel like he's lying, bro. Because
Dude, when
he's
you
typing.
lag, the thing is,
When
when you,
lagging,
but
you're not
also,
gonna be able to type it,
also,
though. That's the thing.
it's kind of, when you lag,
Yeah.
Roblox still picks up your inputs, so why did he just straight line the turn? After he was already turning, he should have just held this turn button.
It would only not pick up your inputs if your screen was like frozen and you're at like a super high ping when your screen froze.
Yeah, that's
How
me.
is
That
your
happens to me.
Game frozen while you're typing. That makes no sense.
Yeah, that's.
Uh-oh.
That's a caution for sure. He's not getting one.
He's trying to cause one.
If he spins himself, then is that a
Watch
caution?
him wreck Mr. Shoe. Watch him wreck Mr. Shoe.
No,
He just
my.
oh my goodness! Somebody wrecked. Wait, never mind. I
What?
don't know what to
Uh-oh.
Say
say.
wreck?
Uh-oh.
He thinks
Uh-oh.
there should be a he's definitely doing this for a caution or something.
Yeah, he's definitely true. He's not frozen. He's lying. What just happened? Someone's around. Amazing's around. Amazing's around. That's a
Oh.
caution, bro.
I think Amazing late blocked or wrecked himself.
Late race
I think he
caution.
wrecked himself.
Alright, bring
for
me
a
down the
caution.
road. Bring me down the road. Bring me down the road.
No, there's no pits open. Pits will be open.
Yeah, correctly took the lead. He took the lead of him. How did I not know?
What is Shucks doing? I mean, what is Miss? Oh my god! What do you want us to do about your lag?
Oh, you put the leader in the wall twice?
Oh, that's what Crafter he was leading. Cause yeah, he apparently he full set the leader twice.
Oh, then we should do... Now, just black flag him and make him have a drive-thru.
The factory? Well, how do you know they're actually telling the truth? But
Yeah, let him keep going. There probably will be a points find after the race. And Mr. disconnected and joined back apparently. He joined
This is gonna
back.
be
He
interesting.
just rejoined.
this will be
It's on the back stretch. It's on the apron though. It's on the apron. It's not on track.
What is Hickory doing? Okay.
It's all the way at the wall. Yeah, you see it. I don't know.
Is it green this time? Is it green this time?
No.
I assume it is, yeah, because he keeps trying
No.
to join.
Blood thought it was. Oh.
No, I invited you, bruh.
Did you try to play Fortnite after?
No.
Why not? Please.
I don't want to, man.
Oh,
He's not going up. He's not going 70. That's why I turned in going 70. He's going 114. I made that. No, Are we green this time?
oh wow! What a left turn.
Holy cow. Oh my god. This is gonna be
Uh-oh.
amazing. And
Uh-oh.
we're 6 to go.
Green flag. JJ! Oh! Okay,
You
that's
gave him a
a...
penalty. That's a penalty.
League owner not giving penalties. I'm watching the back still. And
That's
amazing.
3 out of 3.
It's the 99.
3 out of 3.
Wonderful.
Did he dump him? Did he
I
like
don't
dump
know. I
him?
can't tell.
Yeah, I couldn't tell because I was switching
I'm
through.
clipping it, so let him keep going. There'll probably be a penalty after this. Pretty sure Amazing dumped him though.
My goodness.
Technically, is that a caution? Because one car wrecks are a caution.
No,
Hickory
he
is
saved
can't.
it.
He can't post it. He saved it. He saved it.
Hickory is this desperate. Damn.
Oh, if my recording would load faster, then I would actually be able to look at it. But stupid software. Xbox Game Bar sucks.
Nope. Adding Aiden to P2, bro. I am P3. Never mind. He's getting past. Yeah, Aiden was talking so.
Hickory,
Yeah, he's
right
gonna
away.
try.
Right now, huh?
side on the back
Hickory's desperate for this one.
Well,
He's
yeah,
a chaser.
Amazing kind of screwed
He's
him.
needy.
Amazing
He's
took it apart.
needy. He's needy.
And
He's
Nathan
needy.
just said
And
that.
Nathan just
just
completely
sent it.
full
Nathan
set the
just
corner.
sent it.
And he's getting all
Oh,
turned.
There,
That's
around
a
goes the
caution.
9. That's a caution.
Caution.
Red flag.
Give the 98 a penalty. Is that a 1 out of 3? Or is he already
Red
one?
flag.
Let me check the logs.
No, he's a little 1 out of 3. I already have it.
Oh.
Crack 3 just got screwed out of it.
What is amazing now? Wait, does the 18 have any penalties yet?
He's gonna get it. We didn't see him. We didn't see anything happen, but we can give him a penalty. We're gonna give him a point spot in a 1 out of 3.
Somebody
Bro,
has to.
oh my goodness,
somebody
my
has to
clip
have a
still
recording
hasn't
of
loaded.
that.
I have a recording of it. But
We
I
didn't
have
see
to
it
wait for my
because-
clip to load.
Because here's what
Because
happened. Is that
Mr. was trying to cause a caution. That's the thing. Mr. was trying to cause a caution.
No, it wasn't
Mr. was
Mr.
like,
It was amazing.
no, I know, but Mr. was trying to cause a caution. That's why we were watching him. He's trying to cause a caution.
Okay.
I was watching
Here's
that
what I
area, so
saw.
I
Here's
have
what I
it
saw.
clipped. It's
Here's what
just so
happened.
stupid how
Is that
my
Hickory went to the outside of Amazing to pass him because he was a slow car. But Amazing just completely turns up into Hickory, puts him in the wall. Hickory tries dumping Amazing, and then Amazing just completely turns him again into the wall again.
Oh, you're talking about
That's
that
right.
part. I was talking about when Amazing dumps the 99.
Right.
No, I'm
you
talking
were
about
supposed
when
to
Amazing-
call it,
I'm
bro.
talking about Amazing was killed 45.
Bryce is so stupid. He had a penalty. Bryce is a race official, yet he didn't make a call. Huh?
Can I give Amazing a 1 out of 5?
My clip loaded. My clip loaded.
Yeah.
My clip loaded.
Alright, show it over, show it.
I think I'm still streaming.
No, yeah,
So,
you
I'm
want.
showing it right
1
now.
out of 3 or 2 out of 3? Because I was like,
That's a 2 out of 3. If
Is
he's
this the right clip?
I think it is, I don't know.
No, wait, no, it's
2
not.
out of 3.
Wait, what are you streaming? What are you streaming?
Wait, it has to be.
Bro.
I guess it is.
Green this time, JJ.
Filter, bro. Yeah, well, okay, so he's at a 2 out of 3 now.
Oh, it
Somebody
is.
watching me.
Wait, over, it's green this time, over, watch this, it's green this time.
Nobody jump.
That's because
Overwatch this.
Bro,
Oh,
Yeah, nobody jump. Nathan.
Oh, it's gonna. Oh, sugar.
Nathan
keep
sent
the
it.
clean.
And
Oh,
Hickory's gone. Hickory's gone. He's got this one in the bag. Unless they're gonna be sending it deep into turn. Oh my
Amazing
god.
doing. What is
oh
amazing
my
doing?
gosh, bro.
I
That's
think
a
he
deal.
didn't know caution
What
too
was the
long.
amazing incident? What lap was the
This
amazing?
race is official. This race is official. And
Oh.
oh my god, bro. What the hell?
Is that a
What is We're gonna check. We're definitely gonna have to check because these guys are all being stupid and retarded on this lap.
What are they
Okay,
doing,
they just all-
dude?
It's just like,
they actually all
it's
just
so hard to make a call when there's like
the white
7
flag.
people doing the exact same stuff, and it's like hard to tell who's doing what. It's like it's weird, bro.
You want to take a shower?
Hickory's in the camp floor.
Wait, is this the next round? Is the next round the
Alright.
round of 4?
I'm gonna start my recording.
Wait, is the next round the round of 4?
Okay, my
Yeah.
view of this incident is
Oh.
terrible, but after further review, the incident with the 99 when the 99 got spun by Amazing was a
that
late
was just
block, right?
that was yeah. I was just
Late block.
let's check the fit.
We're gonna review so much, dude. We gotta review. Oh my, this is gonna be a long.
We gotta review everything.
No, we
Hickory,
gotta
Yeah,
review so
we
much.
gotta
I have
review
the
winner.
clips of every specific thing, though.
Hickory definitely the winner, but we're reviewing everybody's penalties on that.
Okay, for sure, Amazing's probably gonna get a suspension.
Amazing's definitely getting penalties, probably a points penalty. Not a suspension, but definitely a points penalty to him there. Yeah, but there's gonna be a points penalty to that.
He didn't know
And
a
then-
caution was gonna come out, though.
Doesn't matter.
Same thing for Nathan.
Nathan's
Alright, so
probably
I'm
gonna go.
watching this entire last one because I have like a decently good POV of it.
Okay.
Entire like
where
last.
we
I
gonna,
think
Peter,
I
do
do
we go to
too.
the
I
race
think I do
official
too.
thing? Do we go? Okay. They let Hickory win because they literally, I kid you not, everybody sent on the last.
Do everything on the white flag because on two to go I didn't have a good view of two to go, but I'm watching the right flag. So Fox took.
I mean, Hickory is good. He's here, by the way. He's
Oh my
good,
god!
but
I just watched the back three in this. Yeah, we're gonna have so many penalties. So funny.
and then they all blame it on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, Hickory, we'll let you talk. We'll let you talk for your interview. I'll be giving you your interview later.
Yeah, wait. We need to review the whole race.
We can just do his interview now, and then we can review after the
Okay,
interview.
here, I'm gonna give Hickory his interview. Somebody bring him up, please. Oh yeah, it's burnout. Let me see. Let's see this burnout.
What is that smoke? Why is it like gray?
What happened to the season 2
Yeah,
burnouts?
Nathan's just full
These are like
sent it and
stiff.
screwed his race over himself.
These are like stiff burnouts. What happened in season 2 burnouts?
You can't set grab anymore.
So now it doesn't work. I think we should have like a new burn.
Yeah, P2. Whoever was P2. Oh my goodness, dude. Who is that?
I'm gonna watch over stream. Like literally everybody sent final corner.
That's Fox. Fox and 2 to go. Fox
Hickory,
sent
do
the
classic
second
burnouts.
place and
Do
then
the
just
classic burnouts.
okay.
Yeah.
Who's pinging me? Okay, watch my recording. Can we go to officials?
We're going to after we do.
We'll do it after.
Stuff.
After
You do the stuff
Hickory's interview. After I give his interview, we'll do it. Alright, take photos. Alright. Hickory, you line it up to start finish. He's like the only actual good truck driver. That's why he wins. Alright, JJ, get his truck back here.
I can't.
Right, somebody bring Hick up. Bring Hick up.
Move his car. Hey, move. Actually,